Hello, good morning, everybody, friendly Indians. Today, I have introduced a crucial topic that is espionage case in Kerala. That case started in 1994, October 20. That day, Trivandrum Special Crime Branch CI S. Vijayan arrested the name of Maldivian women Marian Rashida and five and Fausia Hassan in name of personally animosity. But after that 1 week that case changed the route to the espionage case. This case Indian ISRO cryogenic technology trafficking abroad. This case, abroad case, consequently arrested the world famous predominantly aerospace scientist Nambi Narayanan and Shashi Kumaran. Nambi Narayanan for 51 days police custody tortured. After that, all the newspapers include the Manorama, another newspapers propagate in Kerala. Kerala politicians and politicians very created the stir, conflict and struggle. Finally, Kerala Chief Minister of Kerala, K. Karunakaran, resigned. Next government, CBI inquiry ordered. That CBI investigation report submitted the Supreme Court. Supreme Court to find out the S. Vijayan, Raman Srivastava, CB Matthews, it extra 5 people for guilty. But Nambi Narayanan exonerate. That case, Nambi Narayanan giving the justice. But Maldives people's Fausia Hassan and Mariam Rashida not until given the justice. This police department is very cruelty and brutally conducting the